Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Constant.
What does the dictionary say?
A number expressing a property, quantity, or relation that remains unchanged under specified conditions.
Math rap.
In algebra, it can be a fixed number or letter. Constants cannot get worse or better. A constant is a value that is fixed. Change it won't. If you're thinking otherwise, don't.
Math rap.
You and your brother go to the movies every Friday night. The size of the crowd watching the film varies from week to week. If you and your brother are going to a movie and you wonder how many people will be there, the formula is A plus 1, that's you, plus 1, your brother, equals X, the total number there to watch the movie including you and your brother. A is the unknown amount of people coming that aren't you and your brother. But the last two numbers, the 1 and 1, are you and your brother. Those numbers are constant because you always go to the movies on Friday night. That does not change. Explain constant in your own words. List things in your life that are constant. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!